Hey everyone, check out the hard arm folding camping chair, designed with a 22-inch high back for stable support. This chair is easy to set up with no assembly needed, just unfold and enjoy. It features a strong tubular steel frame and durable double-layer 600D padded Oxford fabric that supports up to 350 pounds. Non-slip rubber covers on the feet keep the chair steady on any surface. Lightweight and portable, it comes with a shoulder bag, perfect for camping, beach, or hiking trips. Its versatile design makes it ideal for festivals, picnics, and garden use. Plus, it includes a 1-year warranty for peace of mind. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.